Cook good and look good.
What's up? It's your girl Queemie Jones, back live in the flesh, and thank you for returning back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to cook good and look good all on the low. Now, when it comes to some chicken, I'ma fry it. And you already know I got the fried chicken recipe of the motherfucking century straight from my grandmama. Now you're like, is that some black chicken? Well, am I not a black girl? So we went to Cam Man Mart and we pretty much was flabbergasted at the truly Asian vibe of that whole place. And I was like looking around, you can get your pots, pans right when you walk in. And what did I come upon, y'all? Some Silkie chicken. Now you probably like, why is this chicken black? Well, it's a pigment thing. Just like there's Black Panthers, there's people, there's animals, obviously with darker skin tones. So I guess the chickens were not left out. Commonly used in Asian dishes, Taiwanese. I've seen specific recipes for that. I was like, I'm black, y'all. I'ma just fry it. Don't worry about it, baby. So I got you with that. So we about to impact you in that flavor.
Vegetable oil, you see that? The whole 48 ounces, okay? You'll need a whisk. You'll need some salt, a pan in the rack, and that's it back. Paper towels to make sure you have something more than the rack to catch the grease. A measuring cup. Some flour.
And these seasonings I use for any of my fried chicken recipes. You heard me? Okay? And again, go ahead and marinate your chicken no matter if it's black or light. If you shall not be a buttermilk person today. Marinate it in that wonderful citrusy, hot saucy, lemony, vinegary marinade from any of my fried chicken videos. Okay? Now that we've got the flour all seasoned up. Ooh, this a bird, y'all. It is definitely still a chicken. That's okay. I am not perturbed. I just took the tag off. It was quite easy.
Get this bowl right here. Chop that neck. Boom. Let's see how much intestine they left, or inner bird. Kind of a rough job.
I want space.
Remove the feet.
I want you to have space.
There you go. Just found the joint and cut there. Boom, same thing with that one. It's a very small bird, so I won't need to be doing some crazy ninja. You just have to make sure I get the pieces proper and cut them. This is also partially frozen, which helps me a little bit. Some people say it don't help, but I find that you can pop things without it getting so slimy so fast, you know? Yeah. Yep, just like that. Next one. Go ahead and pull out the remainder of the feather. I don't know. Another debate that always happens in the kitchen for me is the chicken sanitary. Okay, you saw I just cut that just like that. Do you clean your chicken, or do you let the frying process, let the cooking process take away all the bacteria You feel me?
Flipping every ounce. Heard the dreams that I never thought about. White rose start around the being on the paramount. Take my ambition to the stars.
Yes, the back going in there too, because we want all the flavor. And this is definitely a small bird. So anything that we can be getting right now is going to be crucial. Even that gizzard right there.
I want space.
And break the rest of this chicken in half.
And I'm in outer space. I want you in my space.
Let's see how my skills are. My dad's sleeping sometimes, you know.
I said I want you in my space.
Be too loud. And yep. Got the rest split apart just like that.
And I want you in my space.
And repeat the process, y'all. Oh, poor guy. They was not getting these chickens and being nice to them. I can guarantee you that. I want as much neck as I can possible. Because that one, this neck looks like it's a draft. Yup, just like that.
So manipulation, so you finally get the thing straight. You straight, whoever said the place is straight. Right, but when I eat to bring the place in, the crumbs to the bread. Don't even fear the flash. Be all of the friends, set the like around in the land. Immigration is such a place. Cubans escape the fam just to get the paper. We did the same thing. Hopefully you're safe from boats already Atlantic. Bodies in the Hennessy, and I see let it stay close. Cops talk about the celibacy, and I know.
Now, same thing again, y'all. Pop.
Drugs in the house.
Joint out, pop. That joint out, pop. That joint out, pop. Pop. That joint out, pop. That joint out. Alright.
I want space. And I'm in outer space.
Oh, yeah.
I want you in my space.
Oh, good old times.
I need space.
Get it right at the armpit, darling.
I said I want you in my space.
Just like that.
I'm far out and out.
Sometimes you just gotta lift up your arms and say, ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not wrong when she's away. Alright. There ain't no sunshine when she's gone. 'Cause she always comes along. Anytime that she's away. I just like popping this out old fashioned style. See, stay on. I was gonna do the snippy, all that, choppy, but it's not that high. And then, split the cavity. Yep, just like that. I had a little neck left on there. And then, all the way over shoulder. Work that blade.
When it comes to some sriracha, I'm gonna squirt it. Okay.
I want space.
We need about 1/4 of a cup of sriracha, y'all. Ain't nobody even gonna flex on that amount. That's a lot. I know. You like, why is it so much? Well, why is it not enough? Okay. Then we're gonna add in 16 ounces of buttermilk. We're going to mix the buttermilk and sauce together. Just like so. Yes. Yep. Make sure it is truly incorporated. All our buttermilk. Ooh, geez Louise. Right where I don't need it to go. Ain't gonna add all the rest of that sriracha corners, any of that. Just like that. 2 hopping tablespoons of Queemie drip.
Yeah, baby.
So we're just gonna let that stay up in your fridge, okay? Let it go overnight. And we'll be back. It is a whole 24 hours later, yes, I did that. Packing that flavor. Midnight. Coming to you soon. I have here buttermilk, sriracha, and spicy Queemie dip, aka spicy skills. And we got our lovely cast iron heating up over here. We're going to call this station the fry station and this station the dredging station. All right, let's get into it. All right? So as per se, we know that there's a wet hand, dry hand opportunity here. I'm gonna put some gloves on and show you what I mean.
Make sure that this lovely chicken is dredged with the buttermilk and sriracha Queemie drip. And then you're gonna drop it into the flour. I like to do a couple pieces just to make sure I'm being thorough and, you know, not having to fry for no 3 hours. I don't get people who be frying for 2 hours. That don't even make no good sense. Alright, so I got about 3 pieces in there. Then I'm gonna get this hand and I'm gonna flip it and dip it. Flip it and dip it. Flip it and dip it. Shake, 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 shake. Alright, you just wanna make sure you got like this little coat. And as you can see, I flipped it and dipped it about 4 or 5 times, okay? And I just get it until the chicken looks like it is ashy. Beyond ashy. I'm talking about fresh out the pool, no shower, no lotion. The only thing you've had is chlorine. Chlorine! Alright, so I'm gonna put these over here in the cast iron. Okay?
It's all manipulation, so you finally get the thing straight. You straight, whoever said the price of you straight. Race right, but when I eat to bring the price in, get the crumbs, still the bread. Don't even fear the feds. We all immigrants, set the black around in the land. Immigration, they said the baseball players. Cubans escape.
I had to change up the flow of things. That cast iron on that burner is not gonna fry no chicken anytime soon. So I got here this littler skillet for y'all to get to understand the fry station of it all. And I got some chicken frying on the stove. I'm frying black chicken, so why not do the most? So keep on doing that wet hand dry method I just taught y'all. Make sure y'all get all them pieces up in there. I mean all of them. Oh my God, I know this trick about to be fire. I'm telling you guys, go ahead and just watch any of my fried chicken videos to get my fried flour recipe. I went me to a little Asian market and I went and got me some black chicken, just like Queemie.
I said I want you in my space. I'm far out and out of space.
Dead sauce, Hidden Valley, fat free. I just picked up whatever ranch I could have. It didn't make no difference. Got a tablespoon of Hidden Valley. And this dead sauce is ghost pepper sauce, so I like to just use a little bit sparingly. Then I just mix it. Right?
Then do the thick of it, getting sick of it. I need space before I do some vicious shit. Something I regret getting that from the hot chick. Always giving me perspective, going through my checklist with a reckless. So lifetime investment with the deep electric. Even got a plan for $100 million investment. That's the big coaching lab. Even all the restaurants. Remember we was in school flipping everyone. Heard the dreams that I never thought about.
Let me just. Can't even get the line.
Oh, this is black ass chicken. Oh my God.
Eat it. Take it from me. And you can taste that I'm marinated. It's freaking phenomenal.
Go to you at Asian Mart. Don't be scared because it look like a chicken. That's what chickens be looking like when, you know, they got chicken in them.
It's been cool. It's been bomb. Hold on. I was trying to give the rest to my mom, but I don't know what's gonna make it, shorty. Hold on, let me get a little bit of that. Yeah. Bye! For more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so I gotta get this content in before I leave for a little trip in my favorite rocket ship going through the Greyhound to other parts of the East Coast. Pack a board, get ready to explore. You're gonna cook it up, little Qudsiyah. So, you know, I'll be having moments where I'm like, what am I gonna get? What am I gonna pack? How am I gonna do this? And there's nothing to it but to do it. You feel me? So, you know, if anybody needs some inspiration or whatever, don't stop, get it. Feel your dreams. If you need a mental health moment to do your passion, do that. Do that then, do that, okay? And if somebody got something to say to y'all, you can say it to them. Excuse me, is your brain my brain? Is your body my body? Is your spirit my spirit? I didn't.
Check 2, 2, 1, 2.